Hello all, presenting before you Fundmaster. The problem statement which we are trying to address is the interaction between customer and relationship officer, and finally customer getting to know approval chances of a loan is a time consuming process. Normally it takes a week to a month for at least knowing whether we are capable of receiving the applied loan. We are providing a solution, Fundmaster, for this. Fundmaster is a borrower portal which will be predicting the loan application status of a customer within minutes. This is done by learning from the previous approved or declined loan application status of past customers. We are making use of fusionfabric.cloud and an AI-powered ML-driven engine. We will go in parallel with the workflow as well as the UI of Fundmaster. This is the first page of Fundmaster, which we call the entity details page, where we will be providing the basic entity details like the name and industry, and click on the next button. Now we will be navigated to the financial parameters page. Here we will be providing the basic financial parameters of the customer and then going for the next button. Now let's go to the workflow and see what happened. As you can see, this is the entity details page where we provided the entity details and clicked on the next button. These details are consumed by the parties API and plotted in FFDC. These details are again consumed by the parties API and provided to lending applications like CreditQuest, where a customer or an entity in the name of Gokul is created. Similarly, these financial parameters which we provided will be consumed by the Financial Spreads API and plotted in FFDC. These details are again consumed by the Financial Spreads API and provided to lending applications like CreditQuest. This lending application has an inbuilt logic of calculating financial ratios from these financial parameters. These calculated financial ratios will be consumed by the Financial Ratios API and plotted back to FFDC. And this financial ratio will be provided to a loan approval predictor AI engine. Our AI engine is already fed with the data, that is the previous data of the financial ratios of the previously applied loans. Some set of data, that is the financial ratios data, will correspond to an application which got approved, and some set will correspond to the application which got declined. And our financial ratio will be compared with this data and provided the output. Here we will be providing the basic details like the amount required, collateral value, credit score, and click on the submit button to see the output. As you can see, we have been given an output like your chance for loan approval is high. So we can conclude our business value like this is providing a customer with a loan application status in minutes rather than going for a week or a month. And along with this, it can add a business value of providing the same to a credit analyst who can make a soft check on the status of the loan application. Thank you for listening.